Hi tech lovers and welcome to the Tech Hub. This episode is an unboxing and review of the Aohi, the future Adonis USB 4.2 Thunderbolt 5 USB-C to USB-C cable. So let's get into it and let's start the episode. Okay, so let me give you an overview of this episode and my first impression. So at Foresight, when they contacted me, so Aohi reached out to me for me to review a cable, and I was thinking, it's just a cable. But actually on receiving it, I can see what they're trying to do and what they are successfully doing. They are just doing a cable the best way they can. I absolutely love the branding. I love the yellow color, or at least the box. I haven't opened this yet, genuinely. I have no idea what's inside. So obviously with Apple Tech, the unboxing experience is usually pretty fun, and a way that you can tell how good a product is the premiumization of the box. Well, this has that. I absolutely love the branding. I'd never thought I'd be drawn to just a cable manufacturer. You know what I mean? You need a cable, you buy a cheap one on Amazon. However, this one, and we get into it, is just for longevity and compatibility is the pure nuts. Not only does it do Thunderbolt 4, 5, 3, USB-C, it does all of those. So it's on paper and spec-wise is looking amazing. So that's my first impressions. Now let's look at the specification. Today we are diving into a game changer in connectivity, the Aohi Future Adonis USB 4.2 Thunderbolt 5 USB-C to USB-C cable. So let's explore what makes this cable stand out in the crowded world of USB-C accessories and cables. So at first glance, it might look like any other USB-C cable, but the Adonis is packed with cutting-edge features that set it apart. Starting with the data transfer, the Adonis supports up to 120 gigabytes per second of unidirectional and 80 gigabytes per second of bidirectional speeds. This means transferring large files like 4K videos or extensive datasets happens in mere seconds. For creatives and professionals, display support is crucial. The Adonis handles dual 8K displays at 60 Hz or a single 4K display at an impressive 240 Hz, thanks to its compatibility with DisplayPort 2.1. So it's not just for those connection speeds with data, it's also for those visual video speeds too. So charging is equally impressive. With power delivery of 3.1, the cable delivers up to 240 watts, capable of charging a MacBook Pro to 56% in just 30 minutes. Durability hasn't been overlooked. The Adonis features a 16-core coaxial design and an E-Market smart chip, ensuring both strength and safety during high-power operations. Compatibility is broad, supporting Thunderbolt 5, 4, 3, USB 4 and USB 3.2 devices, whether you're using a MacBook, an iPhone 16 or the latest SSDs. The has you covered. In summary, the Aohi future Adonis USB 4.2 Thunderbolt 5 cable isn't just another accessory or cable. It's a powerhouse of speed, display compatibility, charging efficiency and durability. For those seeking top-tier performance in a USB-C cable, the Adonis is a compelling choice. Now, as I said, I'm already really impressed with the branding. I still haven't opened it. So let's get unboxing and see if my expectations of how this will look and feel are correct. This thing finally unboxed. Oh yeah, amazing brand. So it just slides out. Fantastic. I love that there wasn't any sticky tape on it either. It was just covered in cellophane. Fantastic. Oh yeah, I've never seen branding like this in a cable. I mean, it's in this material. It's a cable's never made me speechless before. Look at that. This is a lovely carry case for it. So if you are out and about with it, it's protected. Absolutely love this so far. Yeah, look at that. One of these Velcro things. And the color is great. Good length too. Yeah, I mean, yes, again, my initial thought, it's just a cable. This is as good as a cable can get, from the branding to the packaging to the feel of it. It's just soft and smooth, and it's so durable. I mean, there's no way this thing is going to get damaged, and that's what you want with a cable, especially if you are using it as a creative, right? So you want longevity. You don't want to be replacing it all the time, and it needs to be reliable. This I can already tell. So let's do some speed testing with my SSD. Okay, so let's do some testing. Now, I don't have any Thunderbolt 5 devices, or even a device with a Thunderbolt 5 port. However, I do have obviously my Mac Mini M4 and my MacBook Air M4 that both have Thunderbolt 4. So I'm going to do a speed test on my favorite SSD. So this is the Samsung T7. Okay, so let's get this plugged into my MacBook Air in the Thunderbolt 4 port and see what kind of speed we're going to get from this T7, which is really impressive. It's not the fastest SSD, but is the most reliable, and I know how much love there is for this one out there. So I'm just going to use Blackmagic disk speed test. So I'm going to choose my T7, and let's see what speeds we get. Well, yeah, a whopping nearly 900 megabits per second on the write, and 720 on the read. So a great cable, and I'd love to do more testing with it. However, I trust their claims of their speeds they are going to achieve when it does come to Thunderbolt 5. This is definitely, go check out the website, go check their link below. Believe them, it's as good as it looks, and yes, you might just think it's a cable. It is the cable to get. Okay, so let's talk about pricing, and I'm going to summarize. So at the time of the recording, it's $39.99 with $30 off on their website, which is linked below. So I'm sure they're always doing promotions, but that is an absolute steal. Now, as for my conclusion and summary, this is as good as a cable get. Like I said, the way it feels, the durability, the branding, the packaging, you've got that silicone thing to transport it. Great job. And I apologize to them for just thinking, oh, it's just a cable. They want me to do a video on a cable. I understand why. And yeah, if you need any cable, so USB-C, Thunderbolt 3, 4, or 5, not many people are probably on 5 yet, but this gives you that longevity. Get this cable. Invest, it will last you. Okay, so thanks for tuning into the Tech Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Please follow me on Instagram and Threads at TechHubWiltsUK, or check out my website at www.techhubwiltsuk.co.uk, and I'll see you on the next episode.